Would you like to make a hummingbird nectar that your birds will absolutely love, but is also a snap to make and very, very inexpensive? Well, come with me to my kitchen. I'm going to show you how, and let's make it together. Alrighty, let's start out with a bowl or a measuring cup, a spoon, and a 1/4 cup of refined white sugar. Add that to your cup or bowl. And yes, it needs to be refined white sugar. Pour in about a cup of boiling water. Stir until all sugar is dissolved. So why just white sugar, you may ask? Well, that is closest to the sucrose that the birds get from the flowers. Allow this to cool to room temperature. Now, you can pour some or all of the liquid into the feeder. If you have not established feeding with your birds yet, I would just add a small amount and put the rest in the refrigerator, because it might just go bad if the birds haven't come and found your feeder yet. So it could just spoil, and you want to have that fresh. Once the birds start feeding in your feeder, you can adjust the amount. Also, you may ask, why do we have to change the feed so often? Well, when the birds start coming to feed, they bring a little bit of bacteria with them, and it begins to contaminate the nectar. Isn't it fun to help take care of some of the beautiful little creatures that God has created? I think so. If you like this tip, please consider subscribing to my new channel, and even give it a thumbs up and ring that bell if you would like to get weekly joyful content like this. Thank you so much. I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye now.